Hey guys, just wanted to welcome you to my apartment. This is one of the two bedroom, two bath unit that I do rent out to people for short term stay or even long term stay. As you can see, this is a living room, and we do have a nice African painting. It's a village, African village right there. This is a nice living room. You have your TV, you have different games, you have your streaming services included. We have a nice router for your Wi-Fi, very high-speed internet connection. And when you just go outside of the living room, actually, we do have a balcony. There's a balcony, so, and as you can see, there is a pool down there. There's a pool. You can just go out there, or if you want to, you can go by the beach. There is a beach very nearby, Cocoa Beach, if you've ever heard of Cocoa Beach. So, um, this is one of those units that, for all those people out there who are on vacation, or if you're visiting Tanzania for work and you don't feel the need to be staying at their hotel, just little room and, cramped in. You might stay at the apartment like this, and this is one of the other African print that we do have here, like African painting. And we have a table here, nice table with 6 chairs. And this is pretty much, if you have friends over, you guys can sit down here and have your lunch, dinner, or any kind of meal. And this is one of the first bedrooms. So this is more like I call it a queen room, which is smaller, a little bit 4x6, or a queen bed. And you can see a nice bedding. We got a duvet here. Got a beautiful bed over here, and we have cabinets where you could have a bunch of your stuffs. And we have a iron over there, so you can kind of get ready and be smart and stuff. So I'm gonna walk you to the kitchen right now. This is the kitchen section, and you have a full-sized refrigerator right there. And pretty much this is one of those refrigerators where you can fit in tons of stuff, lots of stuff. And you have your freezer there. This is your range, right? It's an island range. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful range right here. So, and then you have your little section where you can dry off your dishes once you're done cleaning. You have your glasses right there. You even have a mixer for people who want to mix some, cocktails and stuff. And there's a toaster, and we do have a blender. So pretty much when you're here, feels like you're home. You don't have to worry about anything. And the good thing about it here, we also do have a washing machine. So we have a washing machine right here. So if you're staying a little bit longer and you feel like you want to wash, this is a good place to stay. And look at the views. Look at the views, I'm telling you. You wouldn't. I'm telling you, once you're here, you're definitely going to be enjoying the view of this Masaki Oysterbay Peninsula. So see all those ships out there docking. Actually, pretty much they are kind of waiting to get into the port, to the harbor, to offload some stuff or unloading some stuff. And I'm gonna walk you guys to the to one of the bathrooms. Actually, this is one of the public bathrooms that you could be using. This is pretty much the second bathroom. This is the second bathroom. This is in suite, so you can just lock your door here, and then the bathroom right in here. And this is more like a master bedroom where you have your in-suite bathroom. The room I mean is in-suite, and it's a beautiful king size bed, you know a beautiful king size bed. And there is also a balcony, so you feel like you want to chill in the evening, this is the place. Pretty big balcony actually. You can have several people staying here, standing or sitting. So yeah, this is one of the apartment. As I told you guys, anytime you are coming to Tanzania or you're visiting Tanzania, or even if you just want to get away, some people, I've had lots of people actually, they live in Tanzania but they just want to they do want to get away, over the weekend they have their family, they just want to be somewhere different, away from their house. So this is the place to be. So yeah, anytime, if you're looking for a place to stay in Masaki area, very beautiful neighborhood by the way. Lots of restaurants. There are lots of eatery places, cafe, bars, clubs. Masaki area. So just hit me up. Hit me up. Let me know. I will hook you up. Definitely, I'm gonna hook you up pretty good. I mean, and we do have a 3 bedroom apartments too. So if you think you are looking for 3 bedroom that could take up to 6 people, let me know. And this one takes up to 4 people for 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Thank you.